Welcome back, guys. Let's start a new video. Today you'll learn how to automatically collect customer feedback and reviews after a purchase or service interaction. So this workflow is perfect for business looking to increase customer satisfaction, improve product ratings, and boost sales. Automating review collection can generate $6,000 a month by improving conversion rates and online reputation. What you learn in this workflow is simple. To capture post-purchase events via webhook, send personalized review request emails, collect feedback in a Google Sheet or CRM, notify your team when reviews are received, and automate reminders for customers who haven't responded. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have two workflows. First workflow is the webhook that will post-purchase event will capture the customer purchase or service completion events. So HTTP method get, path post purchase, response immediately, response code 200. You want to capture the order ID, the client name, the client email, the product, and the purchase date. So for that, we will extract from this webhook with a set node. This will be named prepare feedback data. That will structure the customer info for emails and the login. So here you will have these fields. You need a field the order ID, order ID. After that the client name, client name. Also the client email that will extract. Okay, the product. And finally the purchase date. Okay, after we will have all this file completed that was extracted with the set node, we will go to the email to send a personalized email asking the customer to leave a review. So let's open the email. From email, your company, to email the client email. The subject is this. Please share your feedback for JSON product. For example, Alex, please share your feedback for premium services. And the body will include a link to the feedback form or a survey. And all of this, we have also this text. Thank you for your recent purchase of JSON product or product on JSON purchase date. We love to hear your feedback. Please fill out short review form. Thank you. Okay, after this, we want to map out all this review on the Google Sheet. The operation will be append spreadsheet ID, your ID of the Google Sheet, and range feedback. Okay, here with this node we want to record each email sent to customer. The columns will be the order ID, the client name, the email, the product, and the purchase date, and the status. After that, we will have the second workflow that will collect the feedback from the Google Sheets node. So we will receive the completed feedback submission from forms or CRMs. The path will be feedback submission and will be update status in the Google Sheets from pending to completed. After that, we will have the node Slack notify them that will send the notification. For example, feedback received from, let's say, from Alex about the premium services. Okay, and after that, the email reminder for non-responders automatically send reminder email after X days if feedback not submitted. So on the subject you have this, share your feedback for JSON product. You notice On the text hello JSON client name, you notice you haven't submitted your feedback for JSON product purchased on JSON purchase date. Please take a moment to fill out our review form. That was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I will also put the JSON file on the YouTube comments. See you in next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.